There's a lot of things happening in the Oak Cliff, South Dallas area. A lot of need for commercial real estate. Lots of multifamily housing happening. Lots of things happening in the Bishop Arts District of Oak Cliff. This property is 3,800 square feet, and it's in a very sought-after area of Oak Cliff. This is near Jefferson and Beckley. And again, this is 3,800 square feet. It's a rectangle, has a 2-story loft area in the back. And this is going to be a very, very up-and-coming area of Oak Cliff. And we're going to walk outside here. This is near the corner of Beckley and Jefferson. About 4 or 5 blocks north of here is Beckley and Davis, where the new Central Market will be built. And there's a lot of construction going on, a lot of things happening in the commercial space, a lot of development, and the residential portion of this is just exploding in this area. So I'd love to help anybody with their commercial or residential needs. Stephen Shipler Group, Commercial Property Division, 972-333-5448. Would love to help you out. Thanks.